Hey everyone. So what I have here is a piece from your workbook where we took notes and did some problems together. I'm just going to go through how to do some of these problems again. Number one, just as a helpful reminder and a way to review. And also so that you can all see how I was doing it on the computer. You know, you got your copy with examples from me in them. And the same thing goes for the next two, workbook practice 3 and practice 4 that I added for this week. So just if you weren't sure how to do it on the computer, you'll even get to see that now. So this first problem right here is 32 equals 15 plus f. So I'm going to start by grabbing my typewriter. And I'm going to rewrite the problem just so that it's bigger and I can line things up. 32 equals 15 plus f. So let's remember that I want to get my variable by itself. So what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So here I have 15. My zero pair for 15 is going to be negative 15. So I'm going to do minus 15 on this side and see how it's not completely lined up, but I'm going to try my best. And then I'm going to space over minus 15 on this side. Then what I am going to do is I'm going to grab my comment tool and I'm going to grab the line over here. Oh, spinning wheel of death. I'm going to grab my line as soon as this spinning wheel goes away. And what I would do is I'm going to underline the same way that I would with a pencil. Okay? And then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cross out these because they cancel each other out, right? So then what I have left after grabbing my typewriter again is I have 32 minus 15, which is 17, equals, and all I have left on that side is f. All right, let's move to the next one. I'm going to again rewrite it. We have h minus 26 equals negative 10. And I want to get h by itself, so I'm going to look for the zero pair of this number, which is negative 26. So its zero pair is going to be positive 26. So I'm going to put plus 26. And I'm going to do the same thing over here, plus 26. I'm going to grab my line tool. I'm going to draw my line. I'm going to grab it again. These cancel out. And what I'm left with is h equals negative 10 plus 26. So negative 10 plus 26, if you do it in your calculator, is positive 16. Let's move to the next one. I'm going to again start by rewriting the problem. Equals 78 minus c. I want to get c by itself, but let's just remember that right now I kind of have a negative c, but we'll worry about that at the end. So if I want to find the zero pair to this 78, I'm going to need to subtract 78. Oh, not 178. I'm going to need to subtract 78 from both sides. And we'll do another minus 78 here. I'm going to grab my line. I'm going to draw my line. I'm going to cross out on this side. And so what I have left is, if you do it on a calculator, which I am doing right now, you would do 35 minus 78, and that gives you negative 43. Negative 43 equals negative c. And then you would have to switch it. 43 equals c. So I got rid of my negative on one side. I had to get rid of it on the other. So what I do to one side, I do to the other. If I flip it, I have to flip it. Okay? I hope that this helps. If it doesn't, we can Google chat together and let me know. Okay?
I'm good.
Thank you.